Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, I am Achri. I make videos related to fashion, makeup, beauty, skincare and everything. More of skincare and beauty. So today's video is also very special, and also this is going to be another installment, another day of 30 days of September. If you don't know, I am running this series on my channel that is birthday edition, and I am going to post a video each day on this month, that is September, 30 days of September. So come join me in my series, and yeah, let's get started with the video now. Okay, now this is the most awaited video on my channel, and I was super duper excited to film this particular video. So I have got few products from Indian skincare brands. I bought them with my own money. So I wanted to show you what all I got, because yes, I wanted to show you that so that you guys also know that which all Indian brands are available, which are good and which sells quality products, and that's what I'm going to show you. So the very first brand which I went ahead and bought from them is this one. This is Just Herbs, and this is their Just Herbs uh, travel essentials for oily skin. So I thought of giving this one a try. Now they have 7 products in this particular range. So they have 2 face washes, and they also have 2 of their gels, that is one Fagel and one is the Mulethi gel. They also have that Mulethi and licorice gel, and they also have this face pack which is having almond and licorice. And the best thing which I liked from their range, although there is a review which is coming on regarding this particular pack of products that is going to come on very soon on this particular channel only. Now this was my favorite. This is the gulab gel. I am going to talk about it in depth in that particular video. So all in all, I got this one. This costed me around 550 rupees. All the links and everything will be there in the description box, so please check this description box for details on this particular product. Now the next brand was Bubble Farm, and I got to know about this firm from Instagram. I also saw a few YouTubers talking about Bubble Farm, so I got 3 products from Bubble Farm. So the very first thing which I have got is this one. This is the Orange Blossom Face Wash. Haven't used this, as you can see it is still sealed because I was trying the Just Herbs products. So this is their Orange Blossom Face Wash, and this is the Rosemary Hydrosol, and this is chemical free. By the way, all of these products which I am showing you, they are chemical free, they're cruelty free, they're 100% vegan. So please keep all of these things in mind, and they are Indian skincare most of all. So these were the 2 things, and now then I got this aloe vera gel. This is the aloe vera gel which is clear, and I have used it. I will be sharing a review on these products, so keep an eye for that. Moving to the next brand, which is Suganda, and I got 2 of their products. Now there was a Rakhi sale on Suganda, so I bought them and I have started using them. So the very first product which I have got is this one. This is Suganda Pure Squalene, and this is how it looks like. Uh, I was really intrigued by Sugandha products because everybody is talking about Sugandha products. So I thought of giving this one a try, and I have been using this from couple of few days. Review will be up soon on all of these products. And the second one which I have got is this one. This is the Niacinamide Serum, 10% Niacinamide Serum. So yes, this is how it looks like. So I have just got these 2 products from Sugandha. Now going ahead, I have ordered a few products from Smitten as well. So here are all the products from Smitten, and I'm going to show you what all I got. Actually, I got 7 products. So you can see all of these things which I have got. So I'm just going to tell you what all products I have got. So this is the Saint de Vinci. I don't know how to pronounce it, but this is their Himalayan pink salt with white water lily body wash. This is paraben free, and I don't know, I think accidentally they have given me one more, so these are two things, the same things, okay. And I have got a lot of body wash samples because I want a really good affordable body wash for me. So I am trying out a few sample products, and next one which I have got is this one by VLCC, and this is their sandal cleansing milk. This is for normal to dry skin. So because I am using cleansing milk these days, so again I thought of trying this. One which I have got is this. This is green tea slush body scrub. This is by Anor. Haven't heard about the brand, but this is by Anor and this is their body scrub. So like I told you, I haven't used them yet, so review and everything will be up soon. Next up which I have got, it is by Twak. This is their aloe vera and grapeseed skin brightening gel, and this is how it looks like. Now the amount of product in these tubes and these things are pretty nice. It's 25 grams of product, so it is slightly more than sample size. So I really like that thing about these products which I got in the smitten box. Now next one again is a body wash. This is by Saint Da Vinci. This is their hemp seed oil with aloe vera and neem. This is the body wash. I'm sorry. Yes, this is what it looks like. Now there are two more products by the brand Just Herbs. So the first thing which I have received is this. This is their Sapta gel. So this is makeup remover. Makeup remover. Yeah, this is a makeup remover, and it says it is an Ayurvedic micellar water makeup remover. So yeah, this is what I got. And the next one I have got is again, it is body wash. This is Kumuda Sacred Indian Lotus body wash. This is how it looks like. So these were the products which I have got in my smitten box. And now next brand is Earth Rhythm. So I heard so many things about Earth Rhythm, so I had to try some things from their range. So the very first thing which I picked up is this one. This is their Daily Defense Earth Rhythm Sun Fluid Broad Spectrum SPF 30. Now why I picked it up, because it is a mineral sunscreen, and mineral sunscreen are a thing these days because it is better formulated and it does not make you sweat. So that's why I thought of trying a mineral sunscreen, and this is how it looks like. And this is a glass bottle. Yes, this is a glass bottle. So this is how this looks like. Now I have used this. I have my views on it, but I'm going to do a separate review. The last thing which I have got is not with me right now, but I will include a clip of that particular product. Is their shampoo bar. So again, I was so intrigued by the shampoo bar because this was something which I haven't used ever. So I thought of using that, and I really liked it. So I just washed my hair once, and to my surprise, my hair is not feeling very greasy or oily, which is always there. So shampoo bar, I think I should tell you that shampoo bar, I love the shampoo bar, but more detailed review will be there. So keep an eye for that. I have also ordered some products from Wilba, but then it is going to take some time. So I will be sharing that in my next month's haul probably. So yes guys, that is about it. I hope you guys enjoyed and you had fun. Let me know in the comment section. I will be back with another video tomorrow because we are meeting every day, okay, till September ends. So yeah, that's about it. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care guys.